Hello friend, I'm Sweety Vishwakarma from Varanasi, UP. I found myself lucky that I took admission in AADME Institute of Bangalore, where I got such a wonderful, amazing, understanding and friendly mentor Alok sir. The one positive side is that Alok sir has a great and vast knowledge in digital marketing. I got in Asia Best LMS for lifetime access. I learned practical aspect of digital marketing while doing internship in this institute where I got a deep knowledge of Facebook ads, Google ads, how to make a websites, e-commerce websites, how to write effective blogs, search engine optimization, backlinks, and many more. I'm very grateful to Alok sir and his team for guiding me throughout the course, and I'm sure they will guide me after the course as well. Thank you, Alok sir, once again.